All right, today I'm bringing you the update on our new niche website that we're following along with, Balance Bees. Now, let me just pull it up here. All right, we launched on May 29th. Today is July 3rd. Our first content was posted on May 30th, and then I've got a list of the content I've posted since then. Today I just posted beekeeping apps on July 3rd, so you can see how I'm keeping track of this. Our first ranking registered on July 28th. That was the first time I was actually able to see it in my SEO tool. So about a month, and they were definitely long tail keywords. Let's take a look. So a month, so I had 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 pieces of content was all I had on this website. Very, very, very basic website, nothing fancy, built on the Wealthy Affiliate platform. There's a link below if you want to check that out, websites and hosting. And I'm using one of their themes. I mean, literally nothing fancy at all going on here. I'm also not an authority on beekeeping. I'm an authority on internet marketing, so it's interesting watching how this is shaping up here. So I don't have any great author page about beekeeping. In fact, it just still says basic admin. All right, so let's take a look at this now in our reports. We are going to look up here at Balance Bees. Now what you'll be able to see is that it's now registering on my SEO tool. So here it is here. We're going to go ahead and click on there. We're going to take a look at what it's showing. And right now it is ranking in position 80. So it's only going to register on this report. Oh, by the way, this is SEMrush. Also linked below in the description. I am an affiliate marketer, so if you make a purchase through any of my links, I do benefit. What you're able to see here is that any of the keywords that rank in the top 100 show up here registered. So it's top 10 pages of Google. So you can see here, natural waxed right cell foundation only has 40 search volume. Natural apiary bee suit only has 50 search volume. Beekeeping in northern climates only has 2. This is what you will typically see when you launch a website without a lot of content. So some people will create all of their content, hold it back, and publish it all at one time. That's going to have a different result. I like to build my websites because I'm usually working on multiple at a time, to be honest with you, and just get them going and start launching that content rather than holding back. It might be interesting at some point to do a study on the two and see the difference. But this is how I build it. So this is very common. I target low-hanging fruit, low barrier to entry, low competition, long-tail keyword phrases as I'm building my website. And what happens is we start getting traffic ranking for 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Generally under 200 search volume is what I see first. Then I kind of identify the pockets. Oh, okay, this is what Google is really liking on my website. And then I start to create more of that. Then it starts to build and I can go for some of the higher search volume. But I never start off targeting those high search volume keywords. So if you want to take a look here, for example, over on Balance Bees, I've got best beekeeping apps, where to take beekeeping classes, why are bees endangered, life inside a bee habitat, best-selling beginning beekeeping supplies. So if you look those up, you'll start to see where I'm going, how I'm targeting those long-tail keywords to start off with. All right, let me know if you have any questions. On some of these, I am putting my affiliate links in out of the gate. Some of them I'm waiting and going back. So for example, this one, best beekeeping apps. What I'm going to look for now is I will probably go look at each one of these apps and see if they have an affiliate program of any kind. And if they don't, I'll just put in some Amazon links underneath those. I also now have an affiliate relationship with one of the apiary distributors of beehives and beehive suits and beekeeping supplies. So I'll start putting those in there as well. So that's first look follow-up 1 month after launching our niche affiliate website.